right, so who am I here with today?
Tay, or Tay on Tech.
All right, so what do you do for a living, Tay?
I'm a senior security engineer with a specialization in threat detection.
So how does someone get into cybersecurity and do what you do?
It's a lot of different ways that people can get into what I'm doing right now. I know for me, I went the route of becoming a security analyst, then I went to consultant, then I went to threat detection engineering, which basically is just me doing the opposite of what I was doing as an analyst. More so now versus doing the analysis, I'm actually the one that's building the detections for the analysts to investigate and create their cases on.
Gotcha. So what are some salary ranges for anyone who wants to work in detection like you work in?
It really depends on what type of company. Is it big tech? Is it financial? Is it fintech? Is it retail? The salary range is extremely huge when it comes to this. But for me per se, I would say the average base salary range for the jobs I have been doing is around between $140,000 to $180,000.
That's definitely a lot of money. Do you think the money also comes with the responsibility as well?
Yes, definitely. This is the first time in my career where I actually feel like I'm working for my money.
Yeah, I definitely feel that, but thank you so much for answering my questions.
All right, no problem. Thanks for having me.